Hello everyone. Let's start our practice for file handling in C. So in this session, we'll be discussing about line input and output functions for files, which are fputs and fgets. Actually, so far we have done file open close, character input output, formatted input and output also we have seen. So now let us see about line input and output. Let's get into the details. Let us see how to read lines from a file using fgets. Okay, so we can read a string using fgets. S for string. Okay, so how will we read a line is with the help of a string. Okay, so for this again we need a file pointer and we are taking a string of size 100. And here for this fgets, three arguments should be passed. So the first one is name of the string and the second one is the size of the line or the size of the string that you want to display in each line, and the third one is a file pointer. And here parallelly we are also checking whether there is until the result of this fgets is not equals to null. So when it will be not equals to null, either you have reached the end of the file or you have reached some terminating character. So until that, it will display you all the contents of this file line by line based on the size that you are specifying. And you can also display with the help of printer. And similarly, we can work with fputs also. Okay, so directly I'll show you that with the help of a hands-on. As usual, let's include a header file. Hash include stdio.h. And also let's include stdlib.h for the exit method. Let's also start with our main. And here let's declare a file pointer. File should be given in capitals as we all know. Okay, let's name it as fptr. And now what is my aim? I want to make use of fputs and fgets, right? So it is similar to fputc and fgets. The syntax is the same. Okay, so first let us see. Let us declare two strings which I want to copy to my file. Okay, so I'm declaring it as line 1 and I'm specifying some size. And if you want, you can read this string from the input, but here I'm initializing. Hello everyone. And I also want to copy to my file another line, which is let's practice files. Okay, so this content I want to copy it to my file. So how can I copy that? So in order to copy, first of all, I have to open my file, right? So let's open our file using fptr is equals to fopen. Since I want to write into the file, in which mode should I open? I should open it in write mode, right? Okay, so now I should also supply some name to this file as well. Okay, so let us give it as get put dot dat, and let's open this in write mode. This time I want to make use of w plus write update mode, because we want to perform both writing as well as reading, so which is allowed in w plus mode. So now let's check if fptr is equals to null. Let's say error in opening the file, and let's exit from the file. Error in opening the file, and let's exit. Otherwise, what we do? Otherwise, let's copy the content. Okay, so what is the content that I want to copy? I want to copy both line 1, the string line 1 as well as line 2 to my file. Okay, so that we can do with the help of fputs. That is fputs. Fputs is to copy a string, right? To write a string. Since we are working with files, it is fputs and it will take 2 arguments. So the first one is the name of the string that you want to copy. First line 1, I want to copy. Where you want to copy? I want to copy to the file pointer fptn. So again, the same thing I want to do for line 2 also. Okay. So here you can see the syntax. Fputs is accepting 2 arguments, name of the string and the file pointer. Okay. So line 1 followed by line 2, I want to copy to my file. Okay. Let's compile up to here and see. Okay, so we have not, that means our file is opened successfully. So let's see whether these contents have been copied to our file or not. What is the name of our file? It is getput.dat, right? So let's open that. Yeah, here we have. Okay, so here you can see hello everyone, the first string followed by the second string is being copied. Okay, suppose if you want these to be copied in 2 different lines, at the end of the first string, let us give a backslash n, or just before the second string, you can give this. Let's compile. And now let's see. Here you can see getPut.dat has changed. So let us say S. Now you can see they are in 2 different lines. Okay, now writing into a file is being done. Okay, an entire file has been returned to the file with the help of puts. So now let's read this content also with the help of getS, right? Okay, so the result of getS as usual will be saved in another string, similar to how you are in with the help of getC. When you are using fgetC, the character is stored in another character. With the help of ch, we have seen how to read. So in the same way, let us declare one more string, and this I am naming as char only. Okay. So now let us see the syntax of fgets. Okay, so since I want to read all the lines from the file, I am using a while loop, and inside the while loop, let us make use of fgets. Okay, so this fgets will accept 3 arguments. The first one is the name of the string. So here, the name of the string that we are using to store my result is ch, and the actual size is 1000, but I want to display only 100 characters in a line. Okay, so that size we can vary, and let's also supply the file pointer until this is not equals to null, or even you can give end of the file as well. Okay, so we have retrieved. Now let us print what is being retrieved with the help of printf statement. I want to see the result on my screen. Okay, line red, line that is red. Let us see. Let me give a new line character here. So I just want to see what is the line that is red. Okay, so the line that is red is stored in ch. So that I am printing. So now let's run this. Before running, let's compile. And now let's run this. Okay. So why am I getting this problem is I have not closed my file. So whenever you are using write append mode. So there also you have to switch from one state to another state, right? So here, though I'm using W plus mode, I have to close this file and again open it in read mode. Okay. So for that sake, so I want to make the job simple. So first I'm opening this file in write mode and I have written this content. So now inside this else part, let's close this file and let's open it in read mode again to keep the contents safe. Fopen. What is the name of the file? Name of the file is getput.dat. And this we should open it in read mode. And now we are reading the contents of this file. So now let's run this. So here you can see in the first line, hello everyone is being read. And in the second line, you can see let's practice files. So because I have reached the null character here. So okay, in the first line, whenever I encounter a null, so then it is taken as the second line. In our file also, we have 2 lines. I'll show you the content also. Okay, so here we have 2 lines of data. The same 2 lines are getting displayed here. Now, here, let's change the size of this. Okay, so how many characters to be printed in each line, let's say, or how many characters to be retrieved at a time. So let's say the size as 10 only. Okay, then let's compile and let's run this. So here you can see only 10 characters in each line have been displayed. Okay, so the size that is there in the while loop will tell you how many characters in each line has to be retrieved from the file with the help of fgets. Okay, so though the size of character, the string character is 1000. So here while reading, I'm reading only 10 characters at a time. So like based on this, you can limit the number of characters that you can read as a line. So hope you all followed. If you are enjoying this content, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.